Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. In today's video, we are doing a video that I've never done before. We are trying out some hair extensions. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not very experienced in the hair extension department, but I have seen this brand before. So Googoo kindly reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try some. They've matched my hair colour, which I'm sure you'll be able to do as well. So I'm really hoping they've got the shade right because I'm clueless. I think that's definitely the best way to start when you're actually asking the brand yourself for the colour and whatever. So I'm very excited to give these a go. I've been wanting some good hair extensions for the longest time ever, so I'm very excited to try these in today's video. I've educated myself and watched some tutorials, so let's see how we go and how easy are they to put in. They have given me a discount code which I'll pop on the screen now. I'll also put, my belly's rumbling, I'll also put how much money you get off because I can't really remember. So let's get into the video. As you'll be able to see, my hair is very, I wouldn't say short, but it's definitely not long. It doesn't grow past a certain length. It's very dry, bleached, damaged. I'm trying to go on like a more natural hair journey at the moment, but I have actually just gone over it with the straighteners. Not like you'll be able to tell, it's currently 27 degrees, hence the reason I look sweaty and my hair just keeps going frizzy. So this will also put the hair extensions to the test. I also put this headband in because it's just so hot. So the hair extensions come in this really nice little compact box. We've got a instructions leaflet here and the extensions. I'm gonna have a quick flick through the instructions, see if there's anything important that I need to know. Oh, I've just read this thing about the brand, and the director and co-founder, his mum had cancer and lost her hair, so that's what inspired them to do hair extensions. That is so precious. Okay, so I believe I've got the clip-in extensions. So apparently they are the easiest and the quickest way, and they don't damage your hair. If you've got thick hair, they recommend 1 pack, and if you have thin hair, they recommend 2 packs. Oh, she feels soft. So this is actually 100% human hair, which I think is definitely a really good thing when you're getting hair extensions. So I think we've got some extra clips in here, and I'll take the netting off. Oh my god, these feel so much softer than my actual hair. It's a joke. So, whoa, these are long. This is hair. I'm sorry. Look at that for a match. That is crazy. I'm gonna be very long after this. I'm very excited. Oh, also you get this little clippy thing as well. Obviously they're real hair, so they are gonna look like, hopefully, natural hair. They don't go majorly thin at the bottom. I believe this is the lower part. Oh my god, why am I so scared? Separate it at the start by going like just above your ear and down. It says you're probably best to backcomb just above the parting. Haven't backcombed my hair in a while. So you just pop them out like so. And then they're open. Okay, the first piece is in. Okay, so patting my head, I can't really feel them. So that is good. So 1 inch, if that. You know, I'm gonna get a bobble. We go again. I think it's easier the further you go. Once you've got that first bit in, you're good. I love these little clips. Okay, how many bits have we got left? Here we go, a tiny bit up again. So we're backcombing again and going back in with the back of the weave. I've never had hair extensions like this before, so if they look awful, I do apologise. To the front, see how much thicker my hair looks. Oh my god. They look like a different person. These are so long. I did not think they'd be that long. Let's do a little thing from the back. I hope you can't see any of the tapes. I can't feel any. I'm really hoping you can't see any from the back. I'm gonna try and style my new hair now using a curling wand. I definitely need a long-haired curling wand now I've got some of these. Never seen myself with long hair. They are definitely a perfect match, I think. Look how actually long they are. Like, I'm gonna read some of the care out as I look this crazy. Keep the hair and scalp clean before wearing. Comb your hair with a wide tooth comb to avoid knots. Wash your hair extensions with warm water and sulfate-free conditioner, as well as 100% natural hair products. Wash your hair by holding gently. Do not rub the hair. Hold the roots down to avoid tearing the tape. Comb your hair extensions with a wide tooth comb from the bottom to the top. Gently hold the hair with your hand and squeeze the water. Beat the hair with a towel until it is dry. It's best to dry it naturally. Daily wash is not good for the extensions. Use moisturising hair products. Be gentle. Use heat protectant. If they get tangled, it means that they need washing. They can be reused for 10 to 16 weeks. Better use some heat protectant on these bad boys. Look at that though, like that is a mixture of my natural hair and the extensions. I feel like you literally cannot tell at all. I feel like I definitely could have put these in better, but as a first go, I feel like it doesn't really matter. I feel like I need to get the hang of it. Whew, got princess hair. I wonder how long they stay curled for. I feel like my hair just does not look like that when I curl it. I think if you had your hair really straight, you could probably get away with not curling it. But I think if you're going out for a long time, you don't know what your hair's going to do over time, whether it will start to show the tape of it or not. But I cannot wait to see what this looks like. Quickly do my fringe. Oh, fuck. Oh god, I definitely need a bigger curling wand. I will brush this out, just trust the process. I'm actually surprised, like I've put my fingers through it quite a lot to like section the hair. I'm surprised they haven't like slipped out or anything. Maybe that's me being stupid, but I wish I had hair like this. Are we ready, ladies and gents? Where's my wide comb? I don't want to brush it out too much, but I feel like hair just makes it look so different. Oh my god, I love them. I love them, I love them, I love them. I'll just stand back. Look at these bad boys. Can you tell where my real hair is? Apart from the fringe, obviously. That is crazy. I'm just use this to give it a bit of a moisture boost. I keep feeling around to see if like you can see any tapes, but I really don't think you can. Here is the finished hair. What the hell? Like the length is crazy. Like, hello, like the colour match is insane. So if you are unsure, I'm sure you'll be able to contact them for a colour match, because like this colour match is ridiculous. Right, I'm going to spin around and hopefully you can't see any tapes. So we do a small little spin. Hope I'm still in the frame. Go to my local B&M now with my long hair. So that is me trying hair extensions for the first time. Probably not the best tutorial to follow, but I feel like this shows how easy they are to install. Thank you so much to Googoo for sending me these amazing hair extensions. They're definitely going to get their wear out of. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!